Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best New Balance shoe for men. The New Balance Men's 608 V5 Casual Comfort Cross Trainer. Whether you're hitting the gym, running errands, or just looking for everyday comfort, this shoe promises durability, support, and style all in one package. The New Balance 608 V5 is crafted with 100% leather fabric, giving it a classic look and feel. This makes the shoe not only stylish but also durable enough to handle daily wear and tear. The outer material is synthetic, combined with a rubber sole that enhances traction and grip, making it suitable for a variety of surfaces. One of the standout features of this shoe is its Endurance rubber outsole technology. This technology is designed to provide superior durability, especially in high-wear areas. That means you get more mileage and better performance from your shoes over time, no matter how intense your activity is. Comfort is another major focus with the 608 V5. It features an ABZORB midsole, which absorbs impact by blending cushioning with compression resistance. This creates a smoother step and reduces stress on your feet during prolonged wear or exercise. Alongside this, there's a lightweight injection molded EVA foam midsole, which adds cushioning without adding unnecessary weight, keeping the shoe light and comfortable for all-day use. Inside, the shoe includes a molded PU insert and a relaxed fit last, which helps accommodate different foot shapes while maintaining that snug and supportive feel. These design elements come together to deliver an unmatched underfoot experience, making it a great option for men who spend a lot of time on their feet. When it comes to sizing and fit, this shoe is known for its accommodating fit that can suit a variety of foot widths. The combination of materials and thoughtful design ensures breathability and flexibility, so your feet stay comfortable whether you're walking, training, or simply going about your day. The New Balance 608 V5 is imported and well-made, reflecting the quality that the brand is known for. Weighing around 14 ounces, it balances a sturdy build with lightweight construction, which helps with agility and reduces fatigue. In terms of style, the shoe sports a clean and versatile white and navy colorway, making it easy to pair with both casual and athletic outfits. The look is classic and not overly bulky, giving it a modern yet timeless appeal. To sum it up, the New Balance Men's 608 V5 Casual Comfort Cross Trainer blends durability, cushioning, and style to create an all-around cross-training shoe that can meet the needs of most men. Its advanced outsole technology, comfortable midsole construction, and premium leather upper make it a solid choice for anyone looking for dependable footwear that performs well in a variety of settings. If you're searching for a reliable, comfortable, and stylish shoe that works just as well in the gym as it does out on the streets, this model from New Balance is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and product insights. See you in the next video.